morning! Welcome back to my channel. Okay.
Hey everyone, I just wanted to hop on here real quick and say that yes, that's my husband riding a Razor scooter. He is the biggest goofball. In this video, we were just playing around and pretending to be vloggers. This video was not intended to be uploaded. In fact, I didn't even have a YouTube channel at that time. To me, it's funny, embarrassing, and memorable all in one, but the biggest reason why I uploaded it is because I made Orange Dream smoothies, so I figured I'd share it with you all here. In this clip, we are taking our dog Ellie out for a walk, and when we get back home is when we make the smoothies. Hi, True Break. A little malfunction. Chain keeps coming off. Peyton played forward, but he's fine.
How uneven your tire is.
Whoa, don't run me over. Cute. Oh my goodness. It's time to make some Orange Dream smoothies for everyone. Now to make Orange Dream. I'm gonna add some vanilla ice cream. The creamier you want it, the more ice cream you put. Next, we'll add some crushed ice. And orange juice. I like it more of a thicker consistency. You want it more thin, you can add less ice cream and less ice and more orange juice. You can serve it up, throw a straw in, and you have yourself a homemade Orange Dream. Round 2. Smoothies.
Thank you. Oh wait, wrong one. What? No. It says S. Oh.
Welcome.
Good.
It's kind of thick, sorry.